Hi friends, now let's learn how to compare and order the numbers. First of all, what is the difference between comparing and ordering the numbers? When you compare the numbers, you have two numbers, and when you order the numbers, that is, you have more than two numbers, and you can either arrange the numbers in ascending order or in descending order. Ascending order, that is from small to the bigger one, and descending order, that is from the bigger to the smaller one. We are going to these concepts in detail. Now, see this slide. When you compare the numbers, you need to use the symbols for greater than or for the smaller one. So, see here the symbols mentioned at the bottom of the slide for greater than, for smaller than, and for equal to. Now, see this slide. It will help you how to insert the symbols in a proper way. Look at this shape of the mouth of the hungry fish. You know that when a person is hungry, then he eats more. Okay? Now, on one side, that is on the left hand side, you can see five fish are shown, and on right hand side, two fish are shown. Okay? Now, as you know, 5 is greater than 2. Okay? Now, when you use the symbol where you have to put the open part. Now, as the fish is hungry, he or she, or you may say that it eats more. Okay? So, broad or open side is the wider of the symbol used, whereas corner side you will have the smaller number. Now let's know what are the rules for comparing numbers. First rule is that the number with more number of digits is always greater. For example, here you can see two numbers are given and you need to compare them. 985 and the second number given is 1746. Okay, 1746 is a 4 digit number, whereas 3 digit number which is given on right hand side is 985. So clearly, more the digits, the greater the number. Fine. So 1746 is greater than 985, and you can see the broad side of the symbol is on 1746 size. Now let us see the second rule for comparing numbers. When the number of digits in the two numbers are same, we have to take the help of the place value chart. Okay, so here you can see the places for ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s moving from right to left. It's shown here. But when you compare the numbers, you have to start looking from left to right. That is the digit at the higher place. So starting from left, look for the first place at which the two numbers have different digits, and compare the digits at this place. The number with a greater digit at this place will be always greater. Fine? Let's try to understand through given examples. First example here is 136 and 135 you need to compare. So starting from left, you have to look for the first place at which the two numbers differ, and you have to compare these digits to find the answer. Okay, now here, so hundreds place, when you compare, you have on both the sides 1, that is here they do not differ. Now looking for the second digit, that is the digits at tens place, here also you can see that at both the sides you have the number as 3. So here also they do not differ. Now, where the digits differ at one's place. On left hand side you can see 6, and on right hand side you can see the digit given is 5. So clearly 6 is greater than 5. So when you write the answer, the broad part of the symbol that is open on 136 side. So 136 is greater than 135. Now come to this question. You can see the numbers to be compared are 5678 and 6079. Starting from left, that is, you have to look for the first place at which the two numbers have different digits. Okay, so once when you have written the places, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and you start comparing thousands digit, then you have the digits as 5 and 6. So clearly 5 is less than 6. So here you have 5678, which is smaller than 6079, and you can see the corner part of the symbol is towards 5678. See one more example. The numbers to be compared are 949 and 986. So once you have to write the number, that is places for the number ones, tens and hundred. Now look for the first place at which the two numbers differ in digits. Okay, so in hundreds place both the numbers have 9, which are same. So where do they differ? They differ at tens place, where you can see the numbers, that is digits given are 4 and 8. Okay, so here 4 is less than 8. So you have the answer, that is 949 is smaller than 986. Always remember that open side will have the greater number and corner side will have the smaller number. Okay. Now see this question. Both the sides you have 4-digit numbers. So when you compare the numbers, you have to look for the first place at which the two numbers differ in digits, and you have to compare these digits to find the final answer. So once when you have written the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, compare the digits at thousands place on both the sides. Here you can see that is both the sides have 1, which are same digits, so they do not differ. Now on hundreds place, again you can see both the numbers have 0 in the place, so they are again the same. And where do they differ now? Let's see the next place, that is tens digit. Now we are going to compare, and here you can see the numbers as 3 and 4. So here they differ. So now we can have our answer, that is 3 is smaller than 4. So now the answer is 1033 is smaller than 1045. Now come to this slide. What is descending order? That is, when numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, we say that they are arranged in descending order. Okay, let's see the example so that you are clear. Now see the question given here. Here you need to arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, the numbers given are 627, 529, 450, 819 and 725. First thing you need to do is you have to write the places for the numbers given, and you can see that the table given there where the numbers are written in the specific column. Now when you arrange the numbers in descending order, that means biggest to the smallest. Okay, and when you compare the numbers, you know that you start from left side to right and see the highest place and compare the numbers. So here clearly it says that in hundreds place, all the digits you can see that they are all different. And when you move from greatest to the smallest, then it goes like this: 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, which you can see in the hundreds place. Okay, and accordingly, the answer is also written 819, then after 725, which is greater than 627, greater than 529, greater than 450, right? Now, children, see this question. This is also a question where you need to arrange the numbers in descending order. And four numbers are given. You can see the numbers are written in appropriate columns in the tables given here. Okay, you can see the places, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, and the digits of the numbers are written in specific column. Now, when you arrange the numbers in descending order, you need to check the highest digit in the highest place, that is in thousands place. You can see 9 is the greatest number. Okay, so first number, when you arrange it in descending order, first number will be 9658, which you can see in the answer step. Okay, so first number is arranged, already arranged. Now come to second step, that is now you are left out with three numbers: 1365, 2649, and 1009. Okay, now when you compare these three numbers again, which is the highest digit in the highest place, that is in thousands place, you can see 2 is the greatest number. So the second number arranged will be 2649. Okay, so in second step again one more number is eliminated. Now come to the third step. Now you are left out with two numbers, that is 1365 and 1009. Okay, in thousands place you can see the digits are same, that is 1 is given over here, which is 1 same. Now you have to compare the hundreds digit. So here you can see 3 and 0. So clearly 3 is greater than 0. So the third number will be arranged, that is 1365, and now what is left out, that is 1009, and you are done. What is ascending order? When the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, we say that they are being arranged in ascending order. So now we are going to see this type of questions. See the first question given here. You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order: 2474, 4561, 7213, and 1316. So the first step, what you need to do is you have to write the places for the numbers given, so that you can see in the table given, that is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, and you can see the digits are written in appropriate columns. Now ascending order, that means smallest to the biggest one. Okay, so now see the numbers, see the digits in the highest place. So here you can see 2, 4, 7, and 1. They are the digits in thousands place, that is highest place. Now here you need to find the smallest digit. So which is the smallest, and go on arranging them from smallest to biggest. So it will be like this: 1, 2, 4, and 7. And accordingly you can see the answer is written at the end of the slide. That is 1316 is less than 2574, is less than 4561, less than 7213. Fine. Now come to this question. Here the numbers given are 46, 163, 128, and 110, which you have to arrange in ascending orders. First step, that is you have to write the places and write the numbers write the digits in appropriate column, which is shown here in the table. So you can see that 46 is a 2-digit number, whereas the other numbers are 3-digit numbers. So clearly 46 will be the smallest number in the set given, so which is written in the answer step, the first number given as 46. Now, when 46 you have written, you are left out with 3 numbers, that is 163, 128 and 110, right? Now, when you see the hundreds digit, they are same. So, you cannot arrange or order the number looking at hundreds digit. You need to find out the digit where they differ. So, here the tens digit, when you compare, then you have the digits as 6, 2 and 1. So, which is the smallest one? That is 1, then after 2 and then after 6. And accordingly, the answer is also written. You can see at the end of the slide, 46 is smaller than 110, is less than 128, is less than 163. Now come to this question. 5634, 8976, 5564 and 8809. So first step, you will have to write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and write the digits in appropriate columns. Now look at the digit in highest place and find out the smallest of that. That is here in thousands place, you can see the digits given are 5858. Okay, so which is the smallest? That is 5 is the smallest. But here you have two numbers starting from 5. That is, first step is that you have to compare 5634 and 5564. Okay, so in first step you can see the numbers. Out of 4 numbers given, two numbers I have shown with the places also. Looking at the thousands digit, as you cannot compare, the second step is that you need to compare by hundreds digit. Here they differ. So 6 and 5, which is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So the second number, first number, that will be 5564, and then after you will have 5634, right? So now you are left out with other two numbers, that is 8976 and 8809. Here also the thousands digit is same, so you need to see the second place where the digits differ. So looking at the hundreds place, in these two numbers, you have the numbers as 9 and 8. So clearly 8 is the smallest one. So after 5634, you will have 8809, and then after the last number remains is 8976. Now look at this question. You have to circle the smallest number. First question is 173, 137, 371 and 272. So first step, you can see that all are 3-digit numbers. So once you have given the places ones, tens and hundreds, you need to compare the digits at the highest place. That is, here you can see in red font, that is 1, 1, 3 and 2. Smallest number, that is, which is the smallest number out of 1, 1, 3 and 2? That is 1 is the smallest. But here again you have two numbers, that is 173 and 137. So now from these two numbers you have to compare which is the smallest one. So by looking at the tens place digit, you can see that 7 and 3, and which is the smallest one? That is 3 is the smallest. So now you have the answer, that is 137 is the smallest. You can bring that number. Now come to the second question. Here you can see all the numbers are 4-digit numbers, and each number has 3 in their thousands place. Okay, so you cannot compare by looking at their thousands digit. So now when you see their hundreds digit, then you have the digits as 5, 7, 7 and 3. So which is the smallest? That is 3 is the smallest. So you have to ring the number 3318. Look at this question. You have to circle the greatest number. You can see all the four numbers are 3-digit numbers. And once when you have given the places ones, tens and hundreds, you have to look for the highest place, the digit in the highest place, which is the greatest one. So here you can see 4, 4, 4 and 3 respectively in each of the numbers. Clearly 3 will be the smallest one. So here that number is eliminated. So in step 1, that is, you are left out with 3 numbers, and in each of these 3 numbers you can see the highest place digit, that is in hundreds place you have the same digit, which is 4 over here. Okay, so looking at the hundreds digit, you cannot write the final answer. So now look for the digit in tens place. So here you have 7, 5 and 1. So which is the greatest one? 7 is the greatest. So ring that number. That is, you have to ring 475. Now come to the second question. You can see all the four numbers are 4-digit numbers, and their higher place digit is the same, that is the digit in thousands place. You have 5 in each of these numbers. Okay, so by looking at the thousands digit, you cannot find out the greatest number. You need to find out the first digit which is different. So here, looking at the hundreds place, you have the numbers as 9, 8, 8, 7 respectively in each of these numbers. So which is the smallest one? Sorry, you need to find out the greatest number, right? So the number 5908 has 9 in it in its hundreds place, which is the greatest one out of the four numbers given. So you need to ring 5908. Fine, thank you.